Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be sorting out the mattress. It actually arrived a day early, which was really nice, but it needs to expand for a couple of hours, so that's what we're going to do now. So today we're going to cut out this mattress so that it's got the bottom half of the seat and then it will be for the side as well. We're going to use a kitchen carving knife, which when we looked online this was apparently one of the best things to use because it's quite long, so good for straight lines. We've just got to measure it out first and then got a Sharpie make a line, and then so we have a cutting line. So we've now measured it out. It was 71 centimetres, so we've put a few dots on and made a line for us to follow to cut.
So what we need to do now is measure how long the bed is, because the mattress is a little bit longer. So we need to measure how long the bed is and then just take off a little, I don't know, a few centimetres, whatever it is on the end. That's actually really comfy.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm just gonna lay here now. I'm not gonna.
You won't lay here if I'm walking you this.
Oh. So you definitely don't want to stand up in this van for too long when you're having to crouch or duck or whatever, because it gives you the right achy back. I've only been in here for about 5-10 minutes. Right, that's that side done, and now we've got to do the same thing but for the other half. That is gone well overexposed. Wow.
You can't even see me.
Everything's just pure white. No, you can't see you at all. Yeah. What has gone on here? Damn, that is overexposed.
You can see me again.
Just about. So where we are now, we don't have the kitchen unit, so we can't get the exact measurements for this top half. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the van over to this shed where the kitchen unit is, and then we'll measure it exactly before we make the final cut for the top half. Oh man, that is comfy.
My new sofa.
That is super comfy.
Oh yeah. That is really comfy. That's comfy for the first time, isn't it? It's real good.
Yeah.
My feet don't touch the ground though.
They're not, mine do.
No, look.
It's because your little legs.
They don't look, I can swing them. That's really cool. I like that though, look.
Do you like the fact you can swing them?
Yeah.
You're a swinger. No, I'm glad my legs can touch the ground. I'd hate it if they couldn't. Let's go.
Well, I can wake up in the morning. I'll make myself a cup of tea and go back to bed. Without even getting out of bed.
I'm so lazy. My foot was just like covering half of the camera. So we've cut out the bottom mattress and the extending bit that will act as a backrest when it's not used as a mattress. But we can't do anything extra now because we're waiting for the material to come, which should be here when?
Next couple of days. I got a notification yesterday saying it had been dispatched, so hopefully the next couple of days, and I can get on with making some covers for it.
Yeah, so Tabitha and her mum's gonna make the covers for it. Her mum used to be
machinist. Yeah, she used to work for like Marks and Spencer and stuff, so she's really good with a machine.
Oh, hopefully now we bigged her up, yeah. So it looks bad, it's not our fault.
Yeah, it's not on me, it's on my mum.
So we've done some work on the mattress covers, but we haven't done any speaking to the camera. We have got some B-roll and some time lapses, which I'm sure you've already seen. But I just want to give you a quick update of what we're doing, where we've got to and stuff like that. So as you can see on the table behind me here, this is the first zip made. So if I bring it down so you can see it, this is the first zip, done nice and neatly. But that's the first thing we've actually stitched. And then if let me show you, whoop, hold on, I'm going to take that off the table. If I show you round here, well, this is a bit awkward. If I show you around here, this is the all the rest of the fabric that's already cut. So yeah, everything's already cut. Everything's already cut out, but we've just got to stitch it all together and stuff now. So we've finished the covers for the mattress now. Oh, let me just grab it. Hold on. So this is the little one here and the big ones over there. So yeah, now we've finished them down. We ordered some Velcro from Amazon, some heavy duty Velcro, and we're going to use that to stick up the back one onto the wall. And we're going to put a couple of little pieces on the bottom one as well, so when we're going around corners and stuff it ain't going to slide off. Because when we rented the van in October last year, that kept happening where when we go around corners the actual mattress would slide off and it'd go everywhere and it'd be a bit annoying. So yeah, we're going to crack on with that now, and then hopefully that should sort all them issues out.
What is that? Some kind of crab wall?
Yeah. I'm going to CPR to the mattress.
Yeah, so you were doing the crab walk, now you're doing CPR.
There we go.
Oh, beaut.
Everyone just don't want to mess about with it obviously until it's really set. But awesome.